This video will show you how to change audio language on FIFA Mobile. To do so, first open your FIFA Mobile application. Now, log into your account as well, if necessary. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the gear icon located at the top right-hand corner. In this page, scroll down and tap on Audio Settings. Here, you can either download the Stadium sound effects by tapping the download button right next to Stadium sound effects and start the downloading process. If you want to change your commentary audio settings, then go ahead and select the language from the list and tap on the download button that you would like to download commentary language. Tap on the start button to begin the downloading process and wait until it completes. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the French audio language. Once the download is completed, you can now keep this toggle button enabled for the particular language that you've just downloaded. Once you've done that, you'll be able to set or change audio language on FIFA Mobile. Pretty simple, isn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not yet by pressing the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with another tutorial videos like this. Goodbye till then.